I found Renovo Health through my friends. I actually have two very close friends that work here. And when I had the need for surgery, it kind of just came up that, hey, this was an option, and I'd rather do it with people that I know and trust. I have been struggling with stomach issues for the past probably 5 years. And that comes in the range of pain to other issues. And I kind of just had enough of it. And I mean, I talked to the doctor before the surgery. She explained everything that was going to happen. And then when I woke up, I talked to her again, a little bit more groggy. But she was great. I have no issues. I really liked what she did. I think that our current health system is overpriced. I think that it's kind of institutionalized, I guess. I mean, it feels like everything is, you have to jump through 15 steps to get to where you need to be. And it turns out to be very, very long, drawn out. I have a close family member that's been trying to get her back fixed for, 2 years now. And I literally called up one day and they had me scheduled for what I needed that day. I think the people that would benefit from coming here are those who I want their stuff done, to get it taken care of. The people that want that more personal interaction between you and your caregivers. And really anybody who has a high deductible. Personally, I believe I saved somewhere around $4,000 coming here. For me, it means that I can take my wife out to dinner. We can go on our family vacation. It means that my kids get a little bit more spoiled than they already are. Really, it just makes things easier to have that financial burden off your shoulders. And so when I came in, they did an EGD, and they looked at essentially the lining of my stomach, the lining of my esophagus, and found a bunch of inflammation. So what they did to solve the problem is put me on medication just to let my stomach settle down, to give it that extra layer of protection until it can kind of go back to a normal state. The pain got better, and that's what I wanted. I wasn't constantly worried about what I was eating. I love spicy food. I haven't had any issues eating spicy food since I got put on my meds. I can kind of cook without inhibition and eat what I want. So knowing that my stomach lining was inflamed and it looked like it's chronically inflamed, it put your mind at my mind at ease that this is the right route for me, that this isn't something that's going to need, further surgical intervention. It's just something that I need to give my gut a little bit of love, and then I should be able to bounce back from. Yeah, it gave me a lot of peace of mind that I had somebody in there actually visually seeing the issue and saying, this is what you need. A lot of peace of mind.